Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about how to create trim ceiling and wall skirting. Okay guys, don't forget to hit subscribe button below and turn on notification for more about Revit and BIM building information modeling. Okay, so let's continue our topic. So normally when we start create our trim ceiling and wall skirting, we need to create profile first. So now we start create profile. Go to new here in family, finding for profile, metric profile. Okay, here this one, just load in, double click. Here I am in profile interface for reference level. So we need to create our profile first. So let's start draw for skirting first. You can press command key on your keyboard LI for line, or you can select here line on create tab. In the case I want 200 first from bottom of my floor, and here 60, go down also 60, and here I want, okay, this one just for 20, like this. Continue. 110. So here got many shapes you can draw. You can choose by yourself. Got big line, got rectangle, got circle. So you can choose whatever you want. For me, I prefer for line first. This one, select this one first. Then you can, after you draw for change shape, you can continue draw. Just like this. Hit escape a couple of times. This one I want to delete. DE on my keyboard for the delete. LI again for shortcut line. This one going up for 20. Going 15. And this one 180. Okay, so we go 160. This. Hit escape a couple of times. Okay, so here we are finished our skirting profile. Let's create another profile first before we load into our project. Go to file here, select new, then finding for family, just select family, click family, then go to English again. Again metric profile. Here we are in profile interface again. Go to line again. In the case I want 300, 100, then this 100, then this 150, and this 150 also. Due to radian, this one, okay, it's like this. Go to line again. This hit escape a couple of times. Okay, so now we finish our profile, skirting and ceiling trim. Let's go to our project to apply. Go to our project and I can press Ctrl N on my keyboard for new, or you can find here for new project. Then I'm choosing for metric architecture template. Just hit OK. Okay, here we are in our project template. Let's create our wall first. After that, we will load into our project for do a real time project. So this one just a quick testing. Just hit wall here. Then start here like this one and 2 and 3. Hit escape a couple of times. This one we need to load first. So for you can save on your desktop first for rename, but in this case I just load into our project. Here is our project 1. Okay, so by create that we need to create swim. By create swim you can go to architecture tab here, component, model in place. Just go to generate model, just no need to rename, just follow default. So here is sweep. Okay, we need to sketch pen here, like this, 2, 3 and 4. Hit escape a couple times, go to 3D view. Okay, here is our point for profile. So here we just hit finish, then you just select here, then finding our profile that we load before. Here is family file, just select here. Okay, here is our profile. As you can see now, our profile is running into the wall. So how to show that? By show that you just select this one, then flip. We got flip and angle tool and X and Y. X and Y depend on our profile, how we want to rotate. Okay, so here we just select finish. For material, okay, and there you go. So here is what we got. As you can see, here is our profile. Let's assign a new material. Here is select our skirting here. Here is the material. Just select 3 point here. Okay, so I'm finding for white color. Just go to trim sum. Easy sum wallboard. Just select here. Okay, then apply. Go to realistic. Here is what we got. Let's load our ceiling stream. Just go to reference file again. Here is our ceiling stream that we draw. Load into project again. Project 1. Again we go to architecture tab, component. Let's get a couple of times. Component here. Model in place. Go to generate model. 2. Go to sweep again. Go to sketch pen. Start from line. Start from here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Hit escape a couple of times. Just go to our 3D. Okay, here is our point for profile. Just hit finish. Choose our file is family 6. Again we need to flip. Okay, so now as you can see, our profile is running same level as our skirting. So we can show that. You just like hit finish first. Okay, here is our vertical profile. Here you can offset. So as you can see, as the form wall is 8 meters, so we just offset 8 meters here. Hit apply, and there we go. So here is what we got. And here you can change material as well. Just select here, then go to material type here. Select gypsum board again. And there we go. So here is our profile that we create. Just hit finish. So here for skirting, we got another way for load in our wall. By do that, you just select your wall like this. Go to edit type, go to edit structure, then go to preview. Okay, here is floor plan. You need to change to modify type section. Then go to strict here. Here is strict option below. Just click here. Then add one, or you can load your profile one. This one is profile. You just change to our skirting is 5. And this one is flip or offset or cut for. You can depend on your project. And this one is material type. You just select here. Then hit apply. As you can see now, here is our profile, but exterior. Here you can change size for interior. Just hit OK. Then there you go. So here is what we got after we finish. will run all our wall, so just hit OK, apply. In this case I just want to exterior because we're going to create our interior one already. Just switch again, change this one to direction to exterior, just hit apply, then OK. Here is what we see. It's OK again, apply, and OK again, and there we go. Here is what we got. Here is our skirting. Okay guys, thank you for watching. In this tutorial I think it's enough. For our house 5 meter by 17 meter, I will put link below so you can download, and I also add for stream in ceiling and skirting on my project as well, then you can download from there and learn. Okay guys, again thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe button below and turn on notification if you want to support me. Your like and your subscriber is motivate me to do more video about Revit. I see you for the next episode. Thank you for watching.